In this video, we're going to show you how to install the mounting bracket for your Zooz Outdoor Motion Sensor in just a few minutes, so you can be back to things you really enjoy, like petting your dog. These instructions are for siding installation. If you want to mount your sensor on drywall, watch our drywall installation video instead. You'll need the mounting bracket and screws that came with your sensor to start. Prepare a pen or pencil, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a compact drill with a matching attachment. First, mark your screw placement spots. The sensor needs to be mounted at least 7 feet above ground for best results. Next, drill openings for the screws to go in. Always use a bit that's a little thinner than the screw so it doesn't get loose later. Now you're ready to fix the bracket to the wall. Thread the screws through the holes in the bracket and insert them into the openings you created in the siding. With a small Phillips head screwdriver, insert the screws all the way in. Feel free to use a screw gun to speed things up. Just make sure it's on low speed and avoid impact tools. To mount the sensor, carefully slide and snap it onto the bracket. Adjust the sensor for the best detection angle as needed. Remember that the device detects activity farther to its sides rather than to the center of the lens. Your sensor is now fully installed. Remember to watch our battery installation video. And check out the Zooz support portal for more tips on setting up your devices. Thank you for choosing Zooz.